Good morning student, welcome to English class. Beta, today we will read the last lesson of English, India's Young Heroes, and this is a tape script and it is a story of a brave girl Mazda. So let's start. Heroes, the National Bravery Awards was started in 1957 by the Indian Council for Child Welfare. The awards were made to recognize and honor children who perform outstanding deeds of bravery. They are announced on 14th November, the Children's Day, and are presented in a New Delhi by the Prime Minister on the eve of Republic Day. So beta, the National Bravery Awards were started in 1957 by the Indian Council, and the awards mean to recognize and honor the children who perform superb work, performing outstanding work for which field? For bravery. And the awards were announced on 14th November on the Children's Day, and awards are presented by the Prime Minister on the eve of Republic Day. A girl named Nazda alias Bubbly, aged 15 years and a resident of Haridwar, won the National Bravery Award in 2016. So that was the story of a Mazda alias Bubbly. She was 15 years old and she lived in a Haridwar. She won the National Bravery Award in 2016. One day on her way back from school, Mazda saw 6 children playing on a vegetable cart standing on the bank of a canal. So better look at the picture. Mazda were on her way back from school. Mazda saw 6 children were playing on the vegetable cart. मतलब जो vegetable cart आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो, जिसको हम रेडी भी कहते हैं. So 6 children were playing on a vegetable cart, और at once अचानक suddenly the cart moved and the children slipped and fell into the canal. All of them were 3 to 6 years old. The water in the canal were flowing with a great force. The children shouted and shrieked for help, but the people watching this accident had no courage to jump into the water and help them to come out. So when Mazda saw the 6 children, and at once the cart moved and the children fell into the canal, and the water of the canal were flowing with great force, so no one has courage to jump into the water and help them. Then what happened, beta? What happened? Without wasting any time, Mazda jumped into the canal and pulled 2 kids of the bank. She again jumped, grasped and rescued 2 others. By then, the remaining 2 had been swept ahead by the flow of water. Mazda called out to her younger brother for help and managed to pull out the remaining 2 also. Mazda was honored with Bapu Gaya Chhavi Award. So then what happened? When the children slipped and fell into the canal, the Mazda jumped into the canal and saved the 4 children, and the 2 children the younger brother helped. She called out her younger brother for help and managed to pull out the remaining 2 also. So for this act, Mazda was honored with Bapu Gaya Chhavi Award for this act of courage. So that was the lesson, India's Young Heroes, and their exercise, और इसकी exercise बेटा पेज आगे 100 on the 104 page. So let's start. So the lesson is India's Young Heroes, and hero means a hero is a person who is admired by many of her or his noble qualities or courage. So how few qualities that the heroes possess are. So you have to write in the even exercise the qualities of the hero. So let's start. So what are the qualities of the heroes, beta? Determination, honesty, courage, self-reliance, kindness, bravery. So that are the noble quality, good qualities that the hero possesses. Okay, now we will do the E3 exercise. You have to complete the following. Based on your listening to this script, complete the following. You have to complete this. Dash awards were started in dash. Yes, which awards? National Bravery Awards were started in 1957. by the Indian Council of Child Welfare. The awards were given in order to recognize, in order to honor the children, recognize the children. Which children who perform dash work, outstanding deeds of bravery. They are announced on which date, beta? 14 November, on the Children Day. They are announced on 14 November, but are presented in New Delhi by the Prime Minister on the eve of Republic Day. So that was the E3 exercise. Now we will do the E4 exercise. So E4 exercise is the true false. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one is Mazda alias Bubbly was 18 years old. Is that correct, beta? Do you know? Do you remember? Mazda alias Bubbly was 15 years old, beta, not 18 years old. So that was the false statement. You will write the F. Now second one is she was a resident of Delhi. Yes, beta, tell me, do you remember? Mazda was a resident of Haridwar, beta, not Delhi. So it was also a false statement. You will put the F. Now third one is Mazda saw 6 children playing on the bank of a canal. That was right statement and you will write the tree. Now next देखो, the water in the canal was moving slowly. Slowly move कर रहा था? No beta, that was also a false statement and you will write the F. Now next one देखो, Mazda's elder brother helped her to save 2 children. That was true or not? Not elder brother, younger brother. So that was also a false statement. Okay beta, so that was the true false. Now the E5 exercise, write words from the help box from their meaning. You have to write the meanings. So first I make a piercing sound. So what are the meaning? Striking. Ability to control fear when facing danger. Yes. What is the meaning of courage? Ability to control the fear when facing danger. And the third one, exceptionally good. Yes beta, outstanding. Exceptionally good, outstanding. A person who lives or has a home in a place. Yes, resident. Now the next one is save from danger or distress. Rescue. Next, seize and bold, hold firmly, grasp, tightly पकड़ना. Great respect, honor. Now from having encountered before, recognize. So that was the exercise and that was the E5 exercise and you have to put this in the E6 like this. Like this. Okay beta? You have to write all the meanings in that crosswords. Okay beta? And you have to write and learn the exercise of the lesson. Thank you.